Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. To make your garden inviting during cooler evenings. Fall garden decor helps you embrace the changing season while preparing your garden for the In this collection of stunning woodworking furniture and decor items is designed to captivate buyers and sell fast. With a perfect blend of craftsmanship, style, and quality, these pieces are in high demand and move quickly off the shelves. This limited time offer provides you with a chance to capitalize on a booming market for handcrafted, unique furniture and decor. Whether you're an experienced artisan or just starting out, this opportunity can boost your sales, increase your visibility, and help establish your brand as a go-to source for beautiful, handcrafted woodwork. The key to success lies in offering exceptional, eye-catching pieces that appeal to modern homeowners, interior designers, and decor enthusiasts alike. Don't miss your chance to be part of this exclusive movement, where quality meets rapid sales. Act now, because demand is high, and these items are flying off the market faster than ever. One of the main reasons these woodworking furniture and decor pieces sell so quickly is their unique design. Customers crave originality and craftsmanship that can't be found in mass-produced items. By focusing on distinctive details, intricate carvings, and personalized touches, you can create pieces that truly stand out. Unique design not only elevates the aesthetic appeal but also adds value, making your furniture more desirable in a competitive market. Whether it's a rustic coffee table, a modern bookshelf, or an ornate wall decor, each piece should tell a story. Customers love to invest in items that reflect their personality and taste. As a woodworker, you have the creative freedom to experiment with different styles, finishes, and materials to produce one-of-a-kind pieces that sell fast. Remember, in today's fast-paced market, standing out with original design is the secret to rapid sales and satisfied customers eager to share their finds. The cornerstone of furniture and decor that sells quickly is uncompromising quality. Customers are willing to pay a premium for pieces crafted from durable, high-quality wood like oak, walnut, cherry, or reclaimed wood. These materials not only ensure longevity but also contribute to the aesthetic appeal of your creations. Precision craftsmanship, smooth finishes, and attention to detail are what set your work apart from mass-produced alternatives. When customers see the care and skill invested into each piece, they are more likely to make a quick purchase. Moreover, using sustainable and eco-friendly materials can boost your credibility and appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Remember, high-quality construction paired with beautiful design creates a product that customers are eager to buy immediately, knowing it will last for generations. Invest in your craft, select the best materials, and watch your woodworking furniture and decor fly off the shelves. Even the most stunning woodworking pieces won't sell quickly without proper marketing. To maximize your sales, leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your work visually. High-quality images and engaging videos can highlight the craftsmanship and detail that set your furniture apart. Create compelling descriptions emphasizing the uniqueness, quality, and story behind each piece. Collaborate with interior designers, home decor influencers, and local markets to expand your reach. Offering limited-time discounts or bundle deals can generate urgency and prompt quick purchases. Additionally, setting up an easy-to-navigate online store or Etsy shop can streamline sales and reach a broader audience. Don't forget to gather customer reviews and showcase testimonials to build trust and credibility. Effective marketing combined with stunning products will ensure your woodworking, furniture and decor sell fast and generate repeat business. Creating a sense of urgency is a proven method to accelerate sales, especially with limited time offers. When customers know that a deal or exclusive piece is available only for a short period, they are more likely to make an immediate decision. Highlight the limited nature of your woodworking furniture and decor collections in your marketing campaigns. Use phrases like limited stock, exclusive offer, or sale ends soon to encourage quick action. Limited time offers not only boost sales but also help you clear inventory faster, making room for new creations. Additionally, these offers can generate excitement and buzz around your brand, attracting new customers and rewarding loyal clients. Be transparent about the time frame and emphasize the value customers will get by acting now. This strategy creates a win-win situation. Customers get beautiful, exclusive pieces, and you achieve rapid turnover and increased revenue. Fast-selling woodworking furniture and decor are part of a broader strategy to build lasting customer relationships. Satisfied customers are more likely to return and recommend your work to others. To foster loyalty, focus on exceptional customer service, prompt responses, and personalized touches. Offer customization options to meet individual preferences, making each piece even more special. Follow up after sales to gather feedback and ensure satisfaction. Share behind-the-scenes content, such as your creative process or craftsmanship tips, to deepen engagement. Loyalty programs, discounts for repeat pricing your woodworking furniture and decor appropriately is crucial for rapid turnover. Conduct market research to understand the going rates for similar handcrafted pieces. While premium pricing reflects quality and craftsmanship, offering introductory discounts or bundle deals can entice buyers to act quickly. Consider value-based pricing, emphasizing the uniqueness and durability of your work. Limited-time discounts or free shipping offers can further motivate immediate purchases. Always ensure your pricing covers costs and provides a reasonable profit margin. Transparent pricing and clear value proposition. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.